Hi. Today we're going to tell you about fixing your suspended Google Merchant Center account. We will also tell you about the steps needed to restore suspended Merchant Center account and how our Google partner team can help you with this question. Let's get started. Though Google generally gives you a warning period for resolving your account issues, you can lose your account permanently when you do egregious violations of any policy. Fixing your suspended Google Merchant Center account is not a Herculean task for any online seller if you are aware of some steps which are to be taken immediately after the suspension. How can you restore your suspended Google Ad account? Step 1. Find out the reasons behind your account suspension. Whenever your account is suspended by Google for any violation of its policies, you will find some detailed explanation behind your account suspension. Step 2. Make changes and fix the issues in your account. Once you have understood which policy violation has triggered your account suspension, you must start removing unacceptable content from your account. Step 3. Go ahead with the review. After you are done with correcting and fixing the issues in your account, you can submit it to Google by clicking on the Request Review option on your screen. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.